Okay, welcome to the explanation. Yeah, I'm here. So these are your items, and wire is not considered an item that you can hold. That just keep that in mind. Not or switch, lid, clock, and you can place those except for wire. Wire you can't really place. But yeah, anyways, when you hold an item, you see that it shows in your hand that's standard for an item. You just switch to the server. You switch to the server. Yeah, here's me. Here I am. Here's dummy little me. If I go to my backpack, where's my backpack actually? It's not here. Oh yeah, I need to hold the item. Okay, let's hold not. Yeah, now the item is showing. Okay. Yeah, not has a handle. Handle is just where the item is being held. So it's like a pod, but where the item is being held. And then world constraints are just from the handle to the actual objects. Yeah, that's how every item works. But essentially, right. You see, on the server, when you hold an item, it shows a preview of where you can place it. How that works is it's on the server. This is client side, it's not on the server side. Server side, you don't see anything, but on the client side, you do. So it, let's say you're trying to place not. It uses, wait, let me just find the script. I think it's this script. Hold on. Yeah, it uses this script to take the current item you have and then looks in replicated storage for the same item, the object of the item. So I'm holding not, so it'll try and find not in replicated storage and then get the mouse's hit position and then fire servers. Remote events are how the client and the server communicate to each other. So we fire the server, which means from the client fire to the server. And this remote event is spawn, this one, which spawns a block. And then if you go to the spawn script, where's that one? Where is that one actually? Where is the spawn script? I actually don't know where the spawn script. Oh yeah, this thing is the invis block. So if I remove it, you see invis goes away. But yeah, and then once I place it, it places on the server, and all the coloring and logic are done on the server. Okay, yeah, and as you can see, this is the input, this is the output. How do you know that? This firstly, the switch literally connects out there. So like that just makes sense. Now for the wire, yo, this one was a lot. It's the same client server logic, but except here, when you hold the when you hold the wire, it highlights all the outputs. Then you click on an output. Then it highlights all the inputs, and then when you click on an input, it connects the two. That was probably the hardest script because like damn, because here's all the client side logic for the wire, and then the server side. I have to switch to the server. Hold on. Yeah, here's the server stuff. Here's the spawn. The spawn is really short code. Then there's the wire. Not very short code. Here we handle signal, get children by name, on server event connect, part, the wire, set the C frame, set the anchor, set the position. We're using vectors here. Shit's too real. And then yeah. Also by this, don't mind that this doesn't even work anyways. But yeah. And then you see this. This is from here. Line 71. Yeah. Yeah, and that's how that works. And as you can see, if I go here and I flip the switch, it flipped on the server. All the logic is done on the server because if you do it on the client, then if multiple people join the game, then they ain't going to see the changes. But yeah, anyways, um, now that how the actual logic works, if I go into, I'm gonna switch the server for this one. If I go into the item itself, let's go to the and. You see there's an in 0, in 1, and out. These are the actual blocks though. Wait, actually, let me place it. It'll make sense if I place it. So place an OR here. Let me connect from here to there, and then let me clock Let me add a clock. And then I'll add a LED. Now clock to 0.5. Okay. So if I switch to the server now and go to parts, I want the OR. I'm gonna look at this object, so it's the OR. Yeah, you see there's an in0 and an in1. This is in0, that is in1, and if you look inside them, they have a Boolean value that gets clocked. So this is the one that's currently being clocked. You can see that, yeah, and the value is busy changing here, and then the out value is also changing because it's OR. And then here's the script for how it works. Literally just get those values, do the OR calculation, this one or that. That's it. Literally just Boolean, and then change the color based on that, and then also propagate that value to the out. Yeah. Yeah, and then that's really how all the other stuff works. Like if I go to the not, literally just invert it, invert the in to the out. Literally just local bool is equal to not in. Whatever the input is, invert it. That's it. The clock. I did that now. Probably the most hardest part ever. Like holy crap, you don't understand how hard this one was. Because the I had to handle the zero. You see how it says 0, 0.5 and whatever. I had to handle all of these states. Like I had to make these parts by myself. 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0.5. And yeah, there's 0, 1, half, all, weight, num, current, and then here's an invalid table. Basically, current is equal to 0. What happens is if current is equal to 0, then invalid table returns 1.5. And yeah, basically just that. If current is equal to like 1, then invalid table returns 0.5. Then how do you use invalid table? In handle parts. Here we loop through invalid table so we can get every single union. Union is hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. A union is just a bunch of parts that are put together. So if I go here, home, I can actually, I don't think I can because I'm actually testing the code, so I can't really undo that. But yeah, that's that. And is yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it, eh? Because using all this logic, you can make whatever you want. Like it really doesn't depend what you want to make. You can just make it. So like if I go put a clock, another clock. Oh yeah, and there's no order. Like there's no order of precedence. It just happens. Anything can happen. LED. Also, I didn't implement deleting yet. I was gonna do that, and then I eat dinner. Connect here, here, connect here, here, connect here, to here. Turn this one on, turn on, and then 0.5 at the same time. Oh no, I don't like that. Wait. There you go. Now it's always on. It just doesn't know. Sometimes it turns off, sometimes it turns on. Because there's no order of press. I'm lagging badly, I'm lagging badly, I'm lagging badly. Because there's no order of precedence. But yeah, that's that. If I go switch to the server, you see all this is happening on the server. I don't know why my client's lagging. Actually, can I move the client? I can. I can kill me. Okay, no, let's not do that. Wait, can I scale? Holy fuck, I'm scaling. Holy crap. I just scaled. Oh, I move so fast. But yeah, that's... Oh, the jump is crazy. Okay, but yeah, that's that. Oh, I can't reach the thing anymore. Also, you can see I selected this on the server, but yeah. Okay, let me go. Yo, my stuff. Okay, let me go back to. Let me stop and actually showcase these items. So if I go here to replicate the storage and move the clock back into the workspace, now we can see it. Okay. And if I go into here, let's go to 0. Yeah, let's ununion 0. I can't separate it. Oh, they separate. Yeah, you see, it's just multiple parts. Like now I can select each individual. Can, let me select, please. Let me select, please. It won't let me select. Oh, okay, wait. It won't let me select. What the hell? Bro, it won't let me select. What the hell is going on? Let me just close all these scripts. There's a lot going on. It won't let me select. Oh, because of the the proximity prompt. But yeah, now I can select. Hopefully. Okay. That I just did not click that. Yeah, now I can select. I can select all these. Let me undo real quick. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't really showcase the wire, and then I'm done. Okay. So wire. What happens with wire is when the item is equipped, we set the names to out names. Out names is an array of out 0, out 1, out 2, and that matches the names of the outputs of each of the gates. Out, out. Yeah, that matches the outputs, and then we color those parts over here. Yeah, and say equal is equal to true. And then if you unequip, of course, do the opposite. But yeah, no, when we click this activated, we ask if it's hitting a valid part. So essentially it's hitting an input or an output. If it is, then we uncolor, and then we reset to the other one. Yeah, essentially that. Because we have to reset to the other input, other output, and allow new inputs and outputs. And then we save the outputs and inputs that we have clicked. So where's that actually? Yeah, here, the input and output. And then when it's done, we fire the server so we can send it to the server. So it'll send to this remote event and replicate the storage, which is this, and then this script will listen to that. Here it executes. What we do is we get the direction. So we take the vector 3 position, minus it from the start. Yeah. And then we get the direction, so we just get the magnitude of the direction since that's how vectors work. If you stayed in physics, you know that local ray params, new raycast params, filter type include. We want to include anything that's input since we're starting from the output and we're going into the input of another object. So raycast result, then we do the actual raycast and yeah, math I don't want to explain. Yeah, and then if it exists, then we create a new part, we name it wire, set the vector 3 and size, set the position, set the C-frame, set the anchored, cancular, material, and parent, and then we get the Boolean values that are inside the inputs and outputs, which is this value parameter. And then whether they're on or not right now, we set handle signal. And then when we detect that it's changed, we send handle signal again. Yeah, this script doesn't work, so I'm not going to explain it. And then handle signal does what it does. Literally just if this is true, do this, color the inputs, color the outputs. That's it. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, yeah, that's about it. None crazy, you know. And just quickly takes my Roblox takes so much time to load. It's actually crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy. No, just a little some, just a little some.